Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to turn your small sailboat around under power in heavy weather. This could provide you with more control if you find that you need to, heave to rest when short or single-handed, slow down for more positive boat control, reef or reduce sails to balance your boat, or change course to avoid dangers such as a lee shore. Let's take a look at the steps involved in this maneuver. Study the pattern of the seas astern. Look for the larger seas astern. These will usually be followed by a series of smaller waves. Square your boat's stern to the seas. Wait for the larger sea to pass beneath your keel and bow. Turn the wheel or tiller hard in the direction of your turn. Again, the emphasis here will be to do this right after the larger sea in the series clears your keel and bow. Use maximum engine throttle to get around fast. You want to get the boat's bow pointed toward the seas before the next larger sea in the series arrives at your position. Point the bow a few degrees to one side of the oncoming seas. This offers a better ride and less stress on your sailing crew, hull, and deck gear. Lower throttle speed to the absolute minimum to hold position. Realize that excessive speed in heavy seas can cause damage, severe pitching, and elevates the likelihood of crew injury and seasickness. Slow down to the minimum throttle speed necessary to maintain maximum control over your small sailboat and the safety of your sailing crew. Learn your boat's steering and turning capabilities under power in rough weather. Follow these steps for sailing safety on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.